ようございます。小林圭です。今、ピズモビーチに着きました。今日はちなみに、フリーサーフィンして、その後にTow-atのトライアルズの、これを勝てば次の日に、セミファイナルとファイナルなので、優勝すればそれは$1000で、次の日はプロアマの試合って普通にプロアマで、キーウェスメンバーもみんな出てくると思うので、結構楽しいウィーケンドだと思うので、波も結構多分3 to 4フィートぐらいで楽しみです。今回は今はピズモビーチで運転して、カリフォルニアって本当はビーチで運転できるところそんなにないので、初めて自分のタコマ運転できて結構楽しいです。じゃあこの続きみんな見てほしいです。ありがとうございます。行こうぜ。Good morning everyone, it's Kei Kobayashi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in Pismo Beach. We're driving on the beach. It's a little bumpy, but hang in there. Today we got the Tow-at trials to make it into the main event. Winner gets $1,000, still Frothy event. I've been coming up here for a few years now, staying at the Knowles's house. They're like family to me. So we got the trials today. We're gonna free surf as well, and then hopefully make the main event. Winner gets $1,000 for that. And then the Pro-Am is on Sunday, so it's gonna be a pretty fun weekend. Lots of surfing, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. Shoulder feels pretty good, and yeah, it's been almost a year and a half now since my injury, so pretty stoked, and I'm pretty excited to get whipped in and try some airs, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun weekend. Stay tuned till the end. Let's go surf.
There we go. Oh, there we go. Nice job. Water apparatus. Yeah, you got it. Ooh, look at this. Yes. Nice. Give him a lid. Yes. Coming in the judges.
Mr. Confident over here, Kei Kobayashi, taking home $1,000.
No, you look stupid. Did he give you? Hey.
Maybe a left-hander here. That's impressive. Red's up and riding. Last minute. He's got the speed. He's got the snap. Hey, Kobayashi. Bam. Boom. Bingo. Bingo.
Got the applause on the beach. Ripped it.
Red over that section. Bam.
Trying. Getting it done.
Two circles up around. Snake. Meanwhile, red with one snap. Red winner. And red right there. Red. Rocking. Bam.
Lights through it. Look at that left right there. Whitewater line. All the way to the here.
Former event winner, air show winner, and I thought
Ooh, red.
red with the
Hey, going big. Nice.
no matter how lucky this
Backside. She's doing it. Oh my gosh.
big banger. Big red on the move. Wow.
It is. Close it.
Open face. Boom. Okay.
Relax.
Uh-oh.
Buzzer beater.
Root for your favorites. Give away some money. You guys in the finals, great job. That was one heck of an effort you put out there. Come on up. Give me some money.
じゃじゃーんTow-at優勝しました。エアリバース2回決まって、まあ自分では超やばいエアじゃなかったけど、結構欲しかったエアもあったんですけど、1番で$1000稼げました。と、いっぱい荷物もらって、今回は、Tow-atが1番で、プロアムがセカンドプレイス2番ですね。まあ自分では両方優勝したかったんですけども、1番2番で結構まあ波もハードコンディションで結構風も吹いてて、結構自分でまあいいサーフィンもできたと思うので、まあ自分では本当にいい結果を続けるっていうことが本当に自分でも自信もつくし、肩も本当に怪我なくて、今回はスティルフローティーのイベントで今回ピズモビーチで試合やってめちゃくちゃ楽しかったので、いや本当に嬉しいです。なんかもうなんか子供みたくなんかいっぱい荷物プロアムでも優勝できて結構嬉しいですね。今回 YouTube は花に撮ってもらって、いい動画だと思うので、まあ最後まで見てくれた方はありがとうございます。今回の YouTube はまあフリーサーフィンとTow-atと、プロアムも両方3個あってめちゃくちゃ楽しい3日間だったので、みんな最後まで見てくれた方はありがとうございます。この動画が興味あったら LIKE してチャンネル登録、Instagram フォローとコメントもよろしくお願いします。じゃあ次の木曜日で待ってます。じゃあね。 What's up everyone? Back at my place. So stoked to win the Tow-at. Got some gnarly guys that were in the comp. Ended up winning. Got $1,000 for taking out the win. Huge shout out to still Frothy. Probably the only contest that is still doing Tow-ats and air shows in general, which is really cool. Super fun. Got a bunch of goodies in my bag. Skosh. I've been working with them for a few years. Love their products. And then I ended up getting second in the Pro-Am. I wanted to win both, but didn't go my way. I fell on a wave that probably would have been the difference, but all good. Overall, it was super fun. Got to hang out with my friends and family, and waves were super hard for the Pro-Am. It was like 2 to 3 foot onshore and kind of really hard to find a lot of good waves, and I was stoked to get a lot of good scores, got a lot of 6s, 7s, and it felt really good to like just put together a lot of good heats, and those are the kind of conditions I've been struggling a lot in, and winning over in Japan a few weeks ago, and then going into this event, it wasn't a QS, but still had a lot of good money on the line, and yeah, stoked to get first in the Tow-at and then second the Pro-Am. I would say it's a pretty good weekend. Walked away with like $2,000, so got my rent right there. But yeah, it felt really good to compete, and yeah, thanks to Hannah for filming this entire vlog, and yeah, big shout out to Still Frothy and the Nosey family for letting me stay, and Still Frothy for putting on the event. I think he's been putting it on for a couple of years now, and yeah, I'm excited to come back next year and hopefully win both. And yeah, overall it was a really good weekend. I had a lot of fun, and yeah, stoked to be posting YouTube videos again. It's a lot of work, but in between surfing, training, and doing the recovery, I definitely want to post more YouTube videos. And yeah, thanks to everyone that tunes into my channel and follows along the journey. And if you watch till the end, thank you. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, drop a comment below, and I'll see you next Thursday. Phew.